Welcome to the Gordian System. First step is to install Gordian Server. Come to github.com/blockchaincommons/Gordian Server-macOS and just go to the releases link and click the DMG and the signature for the DMG to download the files. We're going to then verify the signatures with GPG tools. So if you don't have it, go to gpgtools.org and download it. You can add my signature or public key by adding my email address, fontainedenton@googlemail.com. Just double click the signature file and then we can install Gordian Server by double clicking the DMG file. Granted that the signature is trusted and matches. You can then double click the app, then click open after Apple runs its additional checks on the app. Gordian Server will then check for any existing node or to see if you have Tor installed already, and it will do the right thing from that point on. It'll go through its installation process. You can then connect Gordian Wallet to your node by clicking the Quick Connect button and just scan the QR code with Gordian Wallet. It'll then just start connecting immediately over Tor. Then we can create an offline seed with dice using LetheKit. There we have gone through that process and we've got our BIP39 mnemonic. You can then export the account from LetheKit by clicking 0, and it will show you a wallet UR QR code, which we can scan with Gordian Wallet to import the account. So we've now got a watch-only wallet on Gordian Wallet, which is fully backed by our own full node. It goes ahead and starts a rescan to check for any historical transactions or balances that you might have. We can then create a PSBT and AIRGAP sign it. So the first step is to create the transaction. We can then export it as a QR code. We'll then want to sign the PSBT, and we're going to do that with Gordian Signer macOS. So again, we can open up Safari and navigate to github.com/blockchaincommons/Gordian Signer-macOS and go through the same process of verifying and downloading the DMG and the signatures file. Again, they're signed with my PGP key, which is associated with fontainedenton@gmail.com. Double click the signatures there and you get a little alert, and then double click the DMG to go ahead and run the app. Again, same process as before. And here we have Gordian Signer. We can add our seed words to Gordian Signer so that it may sign our PSBTs. Of course, this was more suited for a multi-signature wallet, and there would really be no difference at all except you would be creating multiple seeds. Okay, we've got valid words added. You can then save them. Gordian Signer encrypts them and saves them. You can always delete them at any time. We can then AIRGAP sign the PSBT with Gordian Signer by scanning a QR code and showing it the QR from Gordian Wallet. Let's click Sign Now, and it's signed it. Click Export, and we can export it as an animated QR code, which can then be scanned with Gordian Wallet. It's then going to allow you to process that PSBT with your node, and it's fully signed, so you have the option to broadcast it, and the transaction has been sent. Thanks very much for watching.